أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today I'm going to fry these two fishes, and I'm going to prepare it and fry it outside because they are fresh, and the smell is really strong, and my kids don't like the smell. So what I'm going to do is this. Just to make it easy for myself, I've got an electric um, thing, element heating thing. So I'm gonna try. I haven't used it before, so I'm gonna try. No, it does smell. I think it's getting hot. Yeah, it's getting hot. I'll turn it a bit down. So I'm gonna try to use it to fry the fish using this thing. Yeah, it's hot. Yes, it's hot. It's working. Okay, so that's the first fish. This is sea bass. So I'll just take the um, I'll just descale it first. I cut the fins off. So I've washed the fish. This one is sea bass, and that's a trout. So I put some cuts in there for the spices to go in. So here I've got the spices. I'll do a list in the descriptions. Spices and ground flour and yogurt, vinegar and oil, which is not here yet. Okay, so I'm going to mix it. Okay, but I added some water because it was too thick, and some lemon juice. Now it's just about right. Um, Put the fish in now and give it a good marination. And the other fish. Okay, so we now put the fish in. Bismillah. I think the pot is a bit small, but now I've done it. Should have used a bit bigger pan. The tails are sticking out, but doesn't matter. You don't eat the tails anyway. Raspberries. Okay, while the fish is frying, I show you my apples and the raspberries. Look at the raspberries. Apples. Okay, I just flipped the sides, so that side is done. Okay, so that's your fish done, I think. Just gonna take it out. Okay, so that's your fish, and let's give it a try. So this is the trout. Let's try the trout. Bismillah. Mashallah, that's really good. Cooked really nicely, as you can see. Well, because it's a fish, it will get fried really good. Anyway, that's the sea bass, and that's the trout. So I'll just dig into the trout. I'll leave the sea bass alone.